All right, so here we are at this listing, and this is a very quiet road. We're at the base of the mountain, and here's the driveway. I wanted to walk through it because it is extremely private. The driveway is long. Honestly, it's like park-like in here. It's just such a beautiful setting, and the privacy is amazing. So we're just at the base of the mountain, so it's crown land, bordering on crown land. Tons and tons of trails there. If horse trails, and this property you could absolutely do horses with some fencing, and has an incredible shop. I can't wait to show you that. And it has tiered as well, so there's access to that top section as well. Let's take a look around out back and outside. So here we are. So let me see, metal roof, snow stop. I mean, this place is going to last forever. So the shop is right here. Huge carport here, as you can see. So metal roofs everywhere, and the home is here. So the nice thing is you have this amazing wraparound deck right on your place. Oh, and I forgot to mention, going back the driveway, there's a couple of building sites. So the septic allows for a second dwelling, technically your primary residence here, and also has water hookups. So the water is municipal on Canyon Water. Also this covered deck here from your walkout basement technically. And let's take a quick look here because there's a nice open field. Again, if anybody wanted animals, and there's opportunity to maybe open it up even more with trees and stuff like that. Oh, the dogs. Hi, puppies. Okay, let's take a quick look down here. So nice pathway. So I want to say about an acre, maybe all cleared already, or you can remove some of these nice little trees or leave them. If you are having animals, it will never be a problem to leave them as well. So this is the neighboring property right there, and the property line is probably where the grass is a little bit on the longer side all the way to the road. So it is a nice chunk of land here with just beautiful lush grass. Okay, let's go back. All right, I just came up the driveway here, or the little path I should say, not the driveway. Okay, so we have a fantastic hot tub. So just another great outdoor space here. And this is really amazing. So it's a wood boiler, and I mean tons of wood, which is fantastic. So it's practically free to heat, honestly. It does have backup as well. Heats up the glycol, and then a backup electric furnace. But if you can keep this running on wood, it is extremely cost effective, like next to free. And depending on the wood, it will run for about a day to 2 days. Just depends on what wood you're going to be using. And that's that top bank there. So again, there is access there, and there it is. So they flattened that out and they made more of an access all the way around. And then you're at the base of this mountain. I don't know if that video shows it well. It's absolutely beautiful. A little bit of a cloudy day today. That's still just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's take a look inside. I will show the shop first and then the home. Okay, let's check out this magnificent shop. So nice concrete pad, keeps everything clean. Remote doors, so everything is easy access. And here's the shop. 17-foot ceilings. It's 50 by 50. Look at the big doors. And this loft here is brand new. So this goes off of the kitchen, and then it has this extra space, which is fantastic. And then there's like a little bit of a gym or den here. I'll show you that as well. So there's a little workbench here. Very handy. I mean, this is great for even canning or just utilizing the space in so many ways. Let's take a good look at it. There we go. And I mean, SHOME, yes, but can you do this as a BARNDOMINIUM? I would think so. I mean, this would be really easy to turn into horse stalls, or like you could do maybe like a loft up here for hay, and do horse stalls as well. Like it is absolutely possible to do that with the space. If you have the space, anything is possible. And here I wanted to quickly show the gym here. It's an awesome space for office. If you are planning on running any kind of business, this is fantastic to have as well. And it's just at the bottom of that loft, that newly built loft right there. Okay, so there's a few ways to get into the home. So through the shop, of course, there's a door as well, and through this amazing area. And of course, this I love as a main door for the home. And this is technically the basement, but it's so beautiful. Just walk out. It's very usable. And it has your laundry. So just really great use of space with some storage there. It's been reconfigured. Really large bedroom. Lots of light. And this looks out to the front. And this is the stairs to go upstairs, so we'll do that in a second. And we got storage under the stairs, as it should be, because everybody needs lots of storage. And this beautiful rec room, living room, TV room, whatever you'd like to use it for. And I'm just going to take you outside. So this is where that hot tub is, and that covered deck, which is so amazing because you can truly use it year round. There it is, and it is covered. Just goes right into the hot tub. And oh yes, there's a bathroom here too, which is awesome. So great space to hang out. So it's like a little bit of a cheater washroom. So I came through there, and then it has a little bit of a cheater washroom. So you could close one of the doors just for ease, and then a shower. Let me see if I can get a better shot from here. So shower, sink, and then it has a little walk through here. And what's really great, you have access to the shop right here. So with saying that, you have your gym, so the bathroom's right there, and the shop is right out this door. And then you can come into your home right from the shop and use the washroom. And here is a coat closet as well. So again, right from the shop, just really, really convenient. All right, so let's head upstairs and I'll show you that beautiful space. Okay, and we are upstairs, so amazing light. It is so bright in here with tons and tons of windows, beautiful flooring. Kitchen is open. Nice big dining room, and it flows to that deck. So at the bottom was that covered deck where the hot tub was. So this is the top, and it does wrap around. That's your top deck right here with these views. It's a little gloomy day. It's still gorgeous, and the privacy is incredible. I'm gonna try to take a walk around, show you the wraparound deck. Look how massive that is. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's go back. And the kitchen off the deck, so perfect for barbecuing, entertaining, stainless steel appliances, double sinks. And of course you have your window right there. And I'll quickly show you the loft while I am here. So this is the loft. Again, great space for an office or a play area for the kids. And this is that shop. So you can see everything in there. Again, if you're having it at a barn, you can check on your horses or your toys. There's always that. See who's working down there. Man cave and all. And this is that door that goes down and to the shop again. So the stairs. So there's access from the loft. Great space for storage, pantry, whatever you need. The space is here. And here is the washroom. Little powder room, which is absolutely perfect. And the master. And again, lots of windows. Now the master is very unique, but it works. Like, I mean, it works for them having two small children and stuff like that. Before I show it to you, I want to make sure all the lights are on. And again, that door goes to that wraparound patio as well. The wraparound deck, again, super private. I mean, you are in the trees. So the master, again, is a unique kind of concept. It does work for a lot of people, but and couples, like, I mean, or a single person can stay here, no problem. This will be a great place for guests because you kind of have everything here. So you have obviously your toilet here with a door, shower, that's the walk-in closet, tub, and sink. So everything's kind of in that master. It's all set up here. So it's quite convenient, I should say. It is a unique setup. And then you have your walk-in closet, which is actually quite a good size. So yeah, so that's the master. Let me see if I can take it from this angle. So a lot of space, and then you have your bathroom and wash station here as well.